Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get backup chat on WhatsApp. So guys, if you are using WhatsApp and you have changed a new phone and want to get back all the backups on your new phone, I'll help you how to do this. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings, and guys you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. So guys, if not connected, then guys you need to connect it first, and guys if you are using mobile data, then guys you need to turn on your mobile data. And after doing this you need to go back, and guys after this you need to open your WhatsApp on your iPhone or Android phone. So guys, after opening your WhatsApp, then guys you need to log in your WhatsApp. So guys, after this you need to go back, and guys here is the option of settings. Simply you need to open your settings of WhatsApp after login, and guys you need to see here the option of chats. Simply you need to click on that tab, and guys here is the option of chat backup. Simply you need to click on this chat backup. And guys, if you are using Android phone, then guys you will be able to see here the option of Gmail. So guys, simply you need to select your Gmail. And guys, if you are using iPhone, then guys you need to turn on your iCloud backup. And guys, after this, when you have click on backup now, then guys all the data will be back on your new phone. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.